Good morning, all you beautiful trans people in my phone. Welcome to Trans in the Am. I'm your host, Aaron Green. Let's get into yesterday's news. Some somber news to start off the morning. 27-year-old Disaya Monaee Smith, a transgender woman from Illinois, has passed away after being shot in her hotel room. Latrina Banks, Disaya's mother, lost her son Antonio in 2018, also to gun violence. Disaya was shot and killed at the Prestige Motel in Dolton, Illinois in the early morning on Labor Day. Her mother believes there was a struggle, with a trail of blood in the entryway. She said she FaceTimed her daughter only hours before, who said she was too tired to go out with friends, so they left without her. They came back later to find the scene. Ms. Banks is asking anyone with information on her daughter's case to please come forward. Contact the Dolton Police Department at 708-841-2533. Up next, the Utah legislature is considering changes to the recent Supreme Court ruling on transgender rights. A hearing was called Wednesday before the Health and Human Services Interim Committee to discuss changes to a historic Utah Supreme Court ruling. The court ruled in a 4-1 decision to order judges to grant what are commonly known as gender marker changes. In the majority decision, Justice Simonis criticized the one dissenting judge, stating that the court, quote, generally frowns upon unsupported slippery slope arguments, end quote. Though the committee took no action yet, when questioned about the reasonings for wading back into the issue after the court ruled, Rep. Merrill Nelson referenced his personal opinion and alluded to scientific bedrock, medical bedrock, and biblical bedrock. Transgender advocates in Utah are very ecstatic about the decision, and I'm pretty happy too. It's good news coming from such a conservative state. In other conservative state news, a transgender professor in Oklahoma was ordered reinstated by a federal court. Rachel Tudor was fired from the university in 2011, but won a landmark civil rights discrimination case in 2017, where a jury awarded her more than $1 million in damages. A federal court ruling from 3 judges states, quote, we are restoring Dr. Tudor to the position she would have been in had Southeastern not engaged in prohibited discrimination against her, end quote. Dr. Tudor started her transition in 2007 and is a dual citizen of both the United States and the Chickasaw Nation. She began working at Southeastern Oklahoma State University in 2004. Congratulations, Dr. Tudor, on your victory! This marks another step forward in the fight for transgender rights. And that will wrap it up for us this morning. Thank you all so much for coming out to Trans in the Am. If you like the show, please leave a comment and a like to help support the channel. And as always, take care and stay unique.